having some good phrases in your locker is a great way of keeping the conversation going or starting a conversation in any language, and Irish is no different. So that's what I'm going to focus on in this video. I'm going to share with you 5 really useful phrases that you can use in conversation. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on my YouTube homepage for more great videos. Let's start with the Irish verb Tarik. Tarik means to happen or to occur. So 2 little small phrases here. Harlech means it happened, Harlech, and near Harlech means it didn't happen, near Harlech. So if we bring those 2 together, we can make one super phrase. Harlech or a wine, ach, near Harlech ó hin. It happened on one occasion, but it hasn't happened since. Harlech or a wine, ach, near Harlech ó hin. Moving on, but sticking with the Irish verb Tarig, Tarlín sé sin go minic. It happens often. Tarlín sé sin go minic. So that's a useful phrase. It could be used in any number of scenarios if you're talking about any number of topics. Tarlín sé sin go minic. So moving on then. Hurshe ag smuoineamh mé. That means it got me thinking. Hurshe ag smuoineamh mé. Tá gá insint ar gach scéal. There's 2 sides to every story. Tá gá insint ar gach scéal. Ní hé deireadh an domhan é. It's not the end of the world. Ní hé deireadh an domhan é. So I hope you found these phrases useful. Please let me know in the comments section some of your favourite short phrases in the Irish language, and I'll see you soon. Slán go fóill.